colors call. I find myself in pixels small. Smart graphics, my guiding light, turning shadows into sight. Each design a story to tell, a world created where my heart dwells. In every layer there's a spark, a journey painted in the dark. Canvas of dreams, soft and white, where colors blend and worlds collide. With every brush I set it free, an endless sky inside of me. Softly fades the day's last light, I find new hues in the quiet night. Through gentle clicks I bring to life a peaceful art untouched by strife. Smart graphics leads a steady hand, helping me create, helping me understand. With every tool a piece of soul, bringing beauty to make me whole. Canvas of dreams, soft and white, where colors blend and worlds collide. With every brush I set it free, an endless sky inside of me. In the strokes of blue and green, I paint a world so serene. Guided by a gentle hand, art becomes my promised land. From every shadow, every shade.